Centric Parts premium and high carbon alloy rotors are precisely engineered and carefully manufactured to match OE design with lab-developed improvements that make them the best aftermarket rotors available. Centric's attention to detail and commitment to excellence have made Centric North America's leading manufacturer and supplier of OE and aftermarket brake and chassis components. Take a close look and you will see the features that set Centric premium rotors apart from the competition, including symmetric vane casting, e-coating, double disc ground finishes, mill balancing, and cryogenic treatment options. You might not realize it, but brake rotors are formed using sand castings, where molten iron is poured into the cavity of a sand mold. Ventilated brakes require a separate inner casting for the vanes, which is suspended between the two rotor halves. Centric premium rotors feature OE-style symmetric cooling vanes, which dissipate heat more effectively and provide more reliable stopping performance. Other rotor manufacturers use a less expensive side casting process that results in an asymmetrical vane profile. This inferior design does not dissipate heat as well and therefore decreases stopping ability and service life. Centric premium rotors also use a durable black electrostatic finish called e-coating on all non-friction surfaces, which provides long-lasting corrosion protection. In this process, the rotor is submerged in an organic resin and deionized water solution. High voltage is then applied between two electrodes in the solution, causing the emulsion to bond with the rotor surfaces. This electrostatically applied finish is superior to the paint finishes used by many competitors and has been tested to withstand 400 hours of salt spray exposure without rusting. This means much greater service life, especially on icy, salt-infested winter roads. All Centric premium brake rotors feature a double disc ground finish which virtually eliminates runout and disc thickness variation issues. Double disc grinding also leaves a non-directional finish on the friction surface for more effective pad and rotor break-in. Centric premium rotors feature 100% fully machined finishes, which provides better balance and a more finished-looking component. And speaking of balance, Centric premium rotors are mill balanced to OE tolerances. This additional machining operation reduces noise associated with rotor vibration and provides smooth, confident application of braking force. High carbon alloy metallurgy is another exclusive feature of many Centric rotors. A proprietary blend of molybdenum, chromium, and carbon is used to increase hardness and tensile strength. The result is a rotor that reduces pad squeal, especially with higher friction European-style brake pad compounds. It resists rotor cracking during high-performance use or repeated stop situation. And the high carbon content also increases the friction couple to improve brake performance and stopping power. Finally, cryogenic treatment is an option on all Centric rotors. In this proprietary process, rotors are supercooled to far below zero, then slowly allowed to return to room temperature. This alters the metal's molecular structure, aligning the molecules and producing improved performance and longer service life. Symmetric vane castings, e-coating, double disc ground finishes, mill balancing, available cryogenic treatment. These are just a few examples of how Centric's attention to detail have set them apart from the competition, and further proof that from lab to lift, Centric Parts deliver.